Hey guys, how you all doing? I am doing a nice little review video of a hot sauce. This hot sauce is courtesy of Brandon, the Garbage Disposal Clark. He just put out a video of when I met him at Johnny G's to help support him when he was taking on a massive 32-inch, 11+ pound pizza. So this hot sauce I actually got from him last time I saw him at Clinton Station Diner when they were taking on like a 112-pound burger. So let's give this a try. He calls it Snot sauce. We're going to try it 2 different ways. One, a spoonful. And then I also bought some French fries. Let's see. So I'm going to shake it up. Alright. Let's see if you guys can get... You see all the little peppers in there? Folks in, and I'm pretty sure this is all Carolina Reaper that he put in here. Oh boy, let's go. It's a little, got good consistency, if you guys can see that, if I don't spill it. Good color. It smells like Reaper, straight up Reaper. Let's see how it tastes. Vinegar based. Heat hits you hard right up front. Good salt flavor to it, vinegar flavor. Carolina Reaper. Lots of Carolina Reaper. In fact, that's really most of the flavor that I get. Wow. I mean, it's hot for sure. Let's try it with a French fry. Woo. Let's see here. French fry helps balance out the heat. Alright, sit. Sit. Good girl, you can have, oh, that's a really good big French fry. You're not getting that one. Sit again. Sit. Get it. Mabel gets a French fry. Whew. Wow. It's a good hot sauce. Mabel, ruining my video. Lots of heat. This sauce I'm gonna have to be creative with. Whew. Again, this is Snot sauce, courtesy of Brandon the Garbage Disposal Clark. I'm gonna go take care of this. See you guys next time.